Chana masala or spicy chickpea curry is a very popular North Indian dish. It is part of every family's meal in North India and it is so easy to make. This is a protein-packed, gluten-free dish which you can serve with bhaturas, puris, rice and whatever you like. It is made easily at home and I love it so much. Made by soaking the white chickpeas overnight until they become tender and then boiling it, sauteing the onions and tomatoes on the side and then mixing everything together to make the masala or the curry. Just garnish it with some kasuri methi, coriander and some fresh ginger and serve it hot. You have to try this easy and delicious Indian spinach dal recipe. Start by combining two dals together. Now take an onion, chop it really nicely and finally take a tomato, chop it again into a small cubes. Then keep it aside in a pot, take some oil, add cumin seeds, hing, let it crackle, then add some onions, saute ginger garlic paste, tomato, paprika, salt, garam masala powder, haldi powder and that's it. Now bring it to boil, add some water and then add the lentils together. Let it simmer. After it's half done, add spinach to the curry, temper it and it's ready.